Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable dark mode in the Fitbit app. Dark mode can make the app easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments, and also helps save battery life on devices with OLED screens. First, open the Fitbit app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, scroll down and click on Fitbit Settings. After that, look for the theme option and tap on it. You will see different theme choices including light mode, dark mode, and system default. Finally, select dark mode from the available options. The app will update instantly, giving you a sleek dark interface that is easy on the eyes. You can now navigate through the Fitbit app comfortably without straining your vision. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.